Hey everybody, how you doing? It is Mr. Bookman and I will be reading The Red Hat, written by David Teague, illustrated by Antoinette Portis. Please enjoy. The Red Hat. Billy Hightower lived atop the world's tallest building. Even the clouds didn't reach so high. When it rained, Billy stayed dry. No puddles, no raindrops. It was the wind and Billy Hightower. Until one day, a ladder appeared, followed by men in hard hats, and then a girl who wore a red hat. Billy wanted to meet the girl in the red hat and called out, "Hi, my name is Billy Hightower." But the wind whisked his words away. So Billy wrote a note. "Hi, my name is Billy Hightower. I like your hat." Then he folded it and folded it and folded it and threw it to the girl in the red hat. But before it could reach her, the wind snatched the note away. It glided and spun. Next, Billy tied a kite on a tail. He wrote, "Hi, my name is Billy Hightower. I like your hat. The ear flaps are nice." He let it fly. It climbed. It dropped. But just as the girl in the red hat reached for it, the wind yanked the kite away. Billy ran inside and came back with a blanket. Then holding the blanket by the corners. He captured the wind and the wind roared. Billy whooshed. He swirled. He soared toward the girl in the red hat. But just as Billy reached her, the wind swept him away. It stole the girl's red hat too. When the wind put Billy down, he couldn't see the girl or the red hat at all. The wind raged. It bellowed across boulevards, trying to drive him back. "I'm going to meet the girl in the red hat," he said. As sure as my name, the wind howled. It yowled down alleyways, almost stopping him cold. Is Billy Hightower? That's when Billy saw something. After that, the wind didn't stand a chance. At the elevator, he pushed open and knocked at the first door on the top floor. When the girl answered, Billy took a deep breath and said, "Hi, my name is Billy Hightower." Then, with a smile, he added, "I found your hat." The beginning. Well, I guess they became friends after all. After finding her hat and everything, huh? Wasn't that nice of Billy returning her hat to her? Think he found himself somebody special. Yeah, has that ever happened to you, that you seen someone special and you like what they wore? Let me know with a thumbs up. Well, everybody, I hope all of you enjoyed this book reading. And if you did, can you give it a big thumbs up? Smash that thumbs up button. Can you do that? If you're new and you came along this book reading, can you hit that red subscribe button down below and subscribe to my channel and check out my other readings I got? I got plenty, so feel free to check them out. Also, hit that notification bell. Whenever I upload, you'll be notified. But until my next book reading, they call me Mr.Bookman. And this book reading's over. Have a fantastic one, everybody, and take care.